Wait, before you click out, let me tell you, I personally am not old enough to have my own real estate investments, clearly. But it's a lifelong dream of mine, and let me tell you why it's such a good way to get a high return on investment, or ROI.
Teen Wealth, Teen Wealth.
So everything I'm talking about is educating you about financial literacy and on that front, and not actually giving advice based on experience. So now that's out of the way, there are 3 different types of real estate investments. There is buying and holding, or you basically buy a house and hold it for a while and then sell it once you get capital gains. And then there's something called flipping, where you buy the house and then you renovate it, redecorate it, and then sell it at a higher price, but it's for a shorter term. And then there's wholesaling, where you put it under contract and then you sell that contract for someone else for a profit. Today, I'm going to talk about the more, conventional way, or the way you probably know, which is buying and holding. Number 1, it's a great investment because it can generate cash flow. So let's say that your monthly mortgage was $3,000 and your total rent that you charge would be $4,000, let's just say. So the amount of rent that you charge covers mortgage, and it even gives you $1,000 in profit. Obviously, your rent will vary based on the rent market and also from things like neighborhood to neighborhood and what you actually offer in your rent, so like bedrooms and bathroom. But overall, this is a great way to make passive income. Number 2, a lot of money can come from capital gains. So let's say that you buy a house in 2015 for $800,000, and then in 2021, the price has gone up and has gone to $1 million. So you can sell that house, and as you can see, there is a big capital gain or a return on investment or a profit, and then you would gain $200,000. And obviously some of this money goes towards things like realtors fees, property tax transfer fees, closing costs, stuff like that. But overall, the take-home pay is still quite a lot, and you'll still have money in your pocket after all the fees are paid. Number 3, it's relatively stable. So if we look at the trend for the real estate market in the past 10 years, it's actually pretty smooth sailing compared to other investments like Bitcoin and the stock market. It seems that real estate, at least for the past few years, is on an upward trend, and housing prices keep going up. And with all investing, including real estate investing, comes with risk, but if you just look at the data, it might help you sleep at night. So these are the reasons why that real estate is an amazing investment, and I hope that this video brings you some value. If you want to see more videos on things like financial literacy, finance content, how to manage your money, budgeting, all that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe, and it would really help me if you also gave this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week.